Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear your PC or how to delete cache memory or temporary files from your Windows 10 device. So cache memory are eating up your memory and you want to clean your PC. So I'm going to show you how to delete large amount of cache memory and it will make your PC faster. First of all, you just have to go to the search bar and search for storage. Search for storage and you can see there's an option called storage settings, so click it. After opening the storage settings, you can see that it's local leaks where Windows is installed, and you can also see there's an option called temporary files. So you can see the temporary files is here 5.16 GB. So you can delete all the temporary files from here. Just click here and it will scanning all the temporary files. And you can see there's all the temporary files that you need to delete or you don't need to delete. You can check mark here for what kind of temporary files you need to delete here. So the important temporary file that you don't want to delete is downloads here. So you don't check mark the download here, because downloads are, these are files in your personal download folders that you downloaded. So you don't want to delete download folders because you download that and you use that. And system error memory dump file, so you can delete that temporary Windows installation file. So check all the files that you don't need here. And the main important thing also is the Windows update cleanup. So if you update your Windows, for sometimes Windows keeps copies of all installed updates from Windows update even after installing newer versions of updates. So Windows update cleanup deletes all compressed older version of update that are no longer needed. So it will delete the older version of updates that you don't need anymore. So it, after deleting that, you just have to restart your computer again. So you can see it's 4.68 GB, so you can clean up large amount of memory here. So if you just click remove files here, it will, in my case it's a 6 GB. If you haven't deleted temporary file for a long time, I can say that you have 10 GB. I can say that you have 10 GB or 20 GB of temporary files that you need to delete. So just click remove files and it will take some moment and it will clear all the temporary files that you don't need or the cache memory. So I'm going to show you another method that will also clear some temporary files. So you just have to right click on the start menu and go to the run option. After run option, you have to type percentage temp percentage here and click OK, and you will see a bunch of file here. So you just have to select all the files from here and delete all the files from here. These are temporary files that you don't need. Just delete all the files from here, and you can see it's 486 MB. So after deleting all the files from temporary files, there's another method is here. Just go to the start menu here and run option, and you just have to type temp again without the percentage here. Just click OK. Just temp and also delete all the files from here. Click delete. It will also delete some temporary files from here, and that's it. That's how you clear cache memory or temporary files and make your PC faster. So that's it guys, I hope you found this video helpful. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.